This is my surgery and hospital stay video. So the day before my surgery, I was supposed to call and figure out what time I had to be there. And I had to be there at 6:30 in the morning. So, sorry, my mom's dog is making noise. I arrived at about 6:15, and not even 5 minutes later, well, I guess I had to stop by the lab and do a urine test to see if I was pregnant, which I was not, thank God. About 5 minutes after I sat down in the waiting room, they took me back to get me ready. I got back there, and they had me put on a gown, a hat, and these little like sock boot things on my feet. They came back in, and the surgeon came in to talk to me. I told him I was having some pretty severe anxiety and everything, so he prescribed me something for them to put in my IV to calm me down. And then the anesthesiologist came in and talked to me for a little bit, and I believe that was it. And I know there was the nurse that was going to be actually in surgery with me, and while I was talking to all of them, they were putting in my IV. And then I had to sign the consent papers and everything, and then they let my mom, my son, and my fiance all come back, and they were back for probably not even 5 minutes, and they put me in a wheelchair and were taking me back to the OR. I don't really remember much because I think that medicine really helped. I calmed down. I remember going in, laying down, getting positioned on the table thing, and then we realized that my IV stopped working and all the fluid was going into my hand, and my hand was raised up my skin like a lot, and so they had to search for more, which I have really, really, really bad veins, so they struggled really bad. The anesthesiologist was the one trying to get the IV in, so he was nice enough that in the really painful areas he gave me some like numbing medicine before he did it. And then I don't remember anything. I don't remember them getting an IV in. I know I had one when I woke up. I don't remember going to sleep. I don't remember counting down. I don't remember anything. I just remember waking up, and I just remember like light, and I kept like flinging my head back and forth because I had like this pain on my chest, which was gas pain, and I didn't know what it was. I've never been put under before, and I think my family has a history of like panicking when they come out of anesthesia, so I think that's kind of what I was doing. And the nurse kept telling me to calm down and everything, and then I don't really remember anything. I don't remember going to my room. I remember being in my room and like looking around and noticing my fiance and one of his friends, and I faintly remember my mom. I was so out of it that day. I slept and slept and slept. I think I remember waking up a few times for some ice chips, and I would go right back out. The next day I had a lot of pain. I started getting up to walk in the middle of the night, like non-stop, because the gas pain was up in my shoulders, and I started at one point dry heaving on the, like, while I was sitting on the side of my bed. Oh, I guess I should mention, I did have a catheter. I have no clue when I got up that day and when they took it out. I don't remember anything. I just know I was not having a good morning the day after my surgery, but I had my upper GI test, so that didn't go very well. I was about ready to puke the entire time, and we found out that my esophagus and my stomach were swollen, and it was taking like double or triple the normal time it does to get any of the fluid through my stomach. So that sucked. My phone might run out of memory, so this might be a two-part video. So I had that. They did put me on clear liquids, but they told them not to push me on that. So I think I'm gonna end the video right here, and then I will start with the rest of my hospital stay in the next video. Thanks, guys.